Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Today we are cooking a Reuben sandwich for St. Patty's Day. Very easy, short little video. I ate all the corned beef, so I had to go get more corned beef. And I just ended up getting the sliced kind, so that's all you need for this sandwich. You can just go to the deli, get your sliced corned beef. You want to get your pan hot, and you're going to put butter all over it. Make sure it's all over so it can all get crusty and brown. One side of each slice of bread is what you're going to do. Just butter it and make sure it's all ooey and gooey. These are my favorite sandwiches. But, you know, here's the thing. I like real sliced Swiss cheese. I don't like the processed Swiss cheese. So when I go to a lot of restaurants, I'll ask, is it real cheese or is it coming in a plastic thing and unpeeled? And I don't like that. What I have here is a rye and pumpernickel swirled. Then I have corned beef, I have sauerkraut, and I have Swiss cheese. So I think my pan's ready. Yep, I can hear it. I'm going to put it together in the pan. So I put my corned beef on, put my Swiss cheese on one side, my corned beef on top, another Swiss, put a little bit of my sauerkraut. You could use coleslaw here too, but I'm going to make a quesadilla where I'm going to use coleslaw. And just put it in there. You want to smush it down a little bit. There you go. And guess what? It is that easy. Then I'm going to flip it. We'll be good to go. It doesn't take long. You just want everything to get nice and gooey inside. I'll flip it, be back, and then what I put on it is my remoulade. You've seen it. I've used it in my St. Patty's recipes. It is on the recipe page for my Reuben egg rolls. This is just luscious. I mean, there's a lot of ingredients into it, but it's not hard. It's like a dump it. And you may say, hey, I don't want capers in it, so you'll use something else, or you could use sweet pickles. You'll just make it your own, but I've given you the base, and it's really good. Now my sandwich is done. I'm just putting the Thousand Island on it. Just took it off, put the Thousand Island dressing on. Now, if your meat is cold because you took it out of the refrigerator, heat it up a little bit before you put it in the sandwich. It is Swiss cheese, meat, sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, butter the outsides, and grill it. Easy, easy. Let me take a bite. Very good. I'm going to have to learn how to take smaller bites, but this is delicious. For this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. Also, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Check out the other Reuben-esque things that I have done and the other Irish recipes that I've done for St. Patty's Day. You'll love them. For now, have a happy St. Patty's Day. God bless. Bye.